What's up guys, I am back, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can do this. So I'm gonna show you how you can set a custom charging animation in iOS 14 on your iPhone and replace it with a beautiful animation instead of the old boring sound. So to kick things off, we'll take a look at these three applications right here. So the very first application we are taking a look at today is called Charging Sounds, and as the name suggests, we also have sounds as opposed to just effects. So you have a ton of sounds that you can use as your charging sounds, but you have the effects section where you have a ton of animations right here, and then you have a clock section, and you can use this clock to be showed whenever you plug your iPhone for charging. Now you do have to know that this is free, but whenever you set an animation, you'll have to watch an ad, and that is the giveaway you have to give. But that is pretty much it, and they have a ton of them, and I'm pretty sure they will add more pretty soon. So next off, we have charging animations, and again, as the name suggests, you have a ton of animations right here. And the best part about this application is you can make your very own animations by clicking on this plus button, and you can import your videos or pictures, and you can use that to make your own animation, which will be played whenever you charge your iPhone. And you can also make your own charging sounds, so that is also pretty neat. Now the best part is that all the animations are divided in different categories. So we have the cool animations, we have dance animation, we have cute animations, you also have the simple ones, and there are a ton of them, and they all look really nice, and you can just easily use them and apply them. And that's pretty much it. Now next off, we have Charge Master, and this is paid, but this is the best one. They have some of the best animations. So this section right here, you even have the exact demo screen that is played in Apple stores when you buy a new iPhone. So you can use that as a charging screen, which in my opinion looks really good. And there are a ton of them right here. You have cartoons as well, and you even have wallpapers in here. So all of that is pretty amazing. But now I'm going to show you how you can use these as your animation. So first of all, open up shortcuts and click on automation, then click on create personal automation, and then scroll to the bottom and click on charger, and make sure it's connected. And from here, just click on next, and then click on add action, and now click on scripting and click on open app. Then finally click on choose and choose the application. So let's choose Charger Master, then click on next. And now this is a crucial step. Make sure ask before running is turned off. So turn it off and then click on done. And now the automation has been created. And now if you plug your iPhone for charging, you have this beautiful animation played on the home screen for as long as you want it to. And you can also have these animations played when your iPhone is disconnected. So that also is pretty amazing. So that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up. And also an iPhone 12 giveaway is going on, so that video is also linked down below. Go there, check it out. Everyone can enter, and it's international. Thank you all for watching. Peace.